He's that boyfriend that gives you milk chocolate when really you like dark chocolate. You're like, hey, thanks for trying. I appreciate the effort, but you got it wrong. Hi, guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is Recorded Bookkeeping. I'm Frances, the founder and CEO of Recorded Bookkeeping, and I am helping you take the ick out of QuickBooks. QuickBooks is like that really annoying boyfriend who comes on way too strong at the beginning, and you're like, yo, slow your roll because I know nothing about you and you seem to want a lot out of me. But, there's some redeeming qualities, so you give him a chance. That's QuickBooks, and today we're taking the ick out of QuickBooks in the bank feed. WTF is happening right here. Welcome to Craig's Design and Landscape. This is a pretend company that QuickBooks has created for educational purposes only. This is not anybody's actual business, so keep that in mind. What is transactions? Every time your bookkeeper is like, hey, the bank's disconnected, please go connect it. And you're like, excuse me, what? First of all, let's try to find it because QuickBooks just changed its navigation and it drives me bonkers. So the safe place to start is where it says My Apps right here. And then scroll down to Accounting, Bank Transactions. I would tell you that the smart thing to do is to click this little flag right here that saves it as a favorite for you so that you don't have to go try to find where it is every time. If you are starting from a blank QuickBooks, you will not have any of this here. But what even is this? This is what we call the bank transactions feed. And what you do here is you connect QuickBooks to your business checking account, your business credit cards, a savings account, maybe a line of credit that you might have. And QuickBooks will then feed in every transaction that happens in any of those accounts. And you'll see various things. For example, Craig here, he has his checking account hooked up. So you'll see that Craig went to Books by Bessie and purchased something there. He has his savings account here. He has his MasterCard. You can have as many or as few as you need. And the way that you connect these is you go to this square here that says link account and you would follow the prompt. Please select your institution. Please enter your username and your password. And then, you select which account it is that you want if you have multiple. And you would do that for your credit card, your savings account, your checking account, and anything else that you might have. If you have more than one credit card, you can add more than one credit card as well. So your bookkeeper comes in the bank feed to see what you've been spending money on and what money has been coming in. And they will go through and they will categorize transactions. So now we'll see Amazon. So Craig went to Amazon and his bookkeeper is going to be like, Craig, send me your receipt so I know what you purchased. Craig's going to do that. She's going to say, he's never bought from Amazon before. I don't know why. She's going to add Amazon in here. And if you do your own bookkeeping, you would have to know how to do this. And if you don't, then you don't need to worry about it. And then she'll say, okay, well, he bought some office supplies. So she's going to categorize that to office expenses. And she's going to say add. And what that has done, it has told QuickBooks this transaction is a business expense. It was office expenses. Put it under that line item so that when your profit and loss gets pulled up by your bookkeeper or by you, now that transaction is listed properly. And later when it's time to do taxes, you have everything in the right place, but also when you're doing monthly budgeting and monthly cash flow, that's going to be there for you. Oh yeah, I bought extra stuff from Amazon this month, and that's why that's higher. So it's super important to have things in the right category from the beginning. Your bookkeeper might sometimes reach out and say, hey, there's an error on the bank feed. It has lost connection. And you might be like, WTF are you talking about? But essentially what it means is that QuickBooks every now and then will lose connection with the bank or credit card institution on purpose. And they will do that because they need you to re-input your credentials just to make sure that everything is still kosher. It's basically a security measure to keep your information safe. So every now and then they will sever the connection and you just have to go in and put in your credentials again. And you would do it the same way by entering your username and your password, except this time it's going to give you a prompt to do that with a hyperlink. There will be like a box. Your account has been disconnected. Let's fix it. When you click let's fix it, it'll take you through those steps. All right, that's it for today's icks. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit a like and subscribe if this was helpful for you, and I will see you next time.